What if Samsung's next flagship could redefine mobile tech in 2025? Leaks are swirling, specs are shocking, and today we're breaking it all down. This is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's start with the design. Insiders claim Samsung is doubling down on premium materials. Think aerospace-grade titanium meets a holographic glass back that shifts colors under light. But the real magic? This fully bezel-less 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Rumors suggest a 2000 nit peak brightness and a 1 to 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling. Oh, and that under-display selfie camera? The S24 Ultra's 200 megapixel sensor was groundbreaking, but the S25 Ultra? Leaks hint at a 200 megapixel Starlight Vision sensor with AI-powered night mode. Imagine capturing the Milky Way with a phone. And it's not just specs. Samsung might add a dedicated AI photo editor built into One UI 7. Want to remove photo bombers? Just circle them and poof, gone. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip could deliver 30% faster GPU performance, perfect for ray-traced gaming. Pair that with a 6,000 mAh battery and 100-watt wired charging, you'd go from 0 to full in under 18 minutes. But here's the kicker. Whispers of wireless air charging. Just place your earbuds on the phone and watch them power up. Mind. So, how does it compare to the S24 Ultra? The S25 Ultra could be 0.3 millimeters thinner, 12% brighter, and pack a 40% larger vapor chamber for cooling. Oh, and that controversial 10x optical zoom? It's back, but with AI stabilization to fix shaky shots. Is it worth the upgrade? If you're craving cutting-edge tech, absolutely. Now, the big question, when and how much? Leakers suggest a $1,299 starting price, same as the S24 Ultra. But with inflation, we're skeptical. As for the launch, mark your calendars for January 2025. Will Samsung drop it earlier? Stay tuned. The Galaxy S25 Ultra could be Samsung's boldest play yet. Brilliant display, insane camera, and tech that feels, well, from the future. But what do you think? Will you upgrade? Let me know below. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. We've got iPhone 16 Pro leaks dropping next week. Thanks for watching and keep exploring tech. This is Explore Tech. Peace out.